In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ClickUp as a CRM. By the end, you'll know how to grab a ready-made CRM template inside your workspace, tailor it to your process, and save it with a clear name so your whole team can hit the ground running. Start by opening your ClickUp Workspace and heading into the specific space where you want your CRM to live. Think of the workspace as the overall home for your company, and the space as the dedicated area for a team or function, like sales or customer success. Choosing the right space up front helps keep your pipeline, contacts, and views organized in the place your team already works. Inside that space, look for templates. Depending on your layout, you'll see a templates option in the space settings or sidebar. Open it from within the space you chose. That way, the template you pick will inherit the space's settings, permissions, and overall structure, which keeps everything consistent and avoids rework later. In the template library, use the search bar and type CRM. You'll see various options designed for pipelines and customer tracking. Take a moment to preview any CRM template that catches your eye. Look closely at the pipeline stages, the built-in custom fields, and the default views, such as list, board, or calendar. Choose the one that most closely matches your workflow, so you spend less time editing and more time working your pipeline. Before you save the template into your space, fine-tune its controls. Adjust the statuses to reflect your real process. For example, early prospecting, qualification, proposal, negotiation, and closed outcomes. Review the custom fields and keep only what you need, such as company, deal value, stage, owner, and target close date. Rename fields for clarity and reorder them so the most important details appear first. If the template includes views, set the default to the one your team prefers, like a board view for pipeline flow or a list view for quick data entry. You can also tidy up colors, simplify labels, and rename the template and its location so it's unmistakably your CRM. Use a clear naming convention that tells people what it is and where it belongs. When everything looks right, save the template to your selected space. That's it, you've set up ClickUp as a CRM using a template, customized to your team's language and stages. You can always return to the template settings later to refine fields, statuses, and views as your process evolves.